The ocean is something truly powerful. When it touches my skin, it makes me feel alive. As a mom with a very busy life, I've had to learn to prioritize taking care of the skin, this body, the one that gets to do so much on a daily basis. Homeschooling, cleaning, working, nourishing, and deeply loving my family. To me, self care and nourishment is nourishment of the mind and the body. It is not self centered or selfish. Hardly. I prioritize it because the better I take care of myself, the better mother, wife, daughter, sister, and friend I am, and the better I get to respond to situations in life. I hope you take this as a simple reminder to not forget about yourself. In the midst of the daily chaos and when the pressures of life arise, you know that's when you need the most to show up to yourself. Self-care may look different to everyone, but to me, it's about taking time to be with myself, to simply read a book that inspires me, eat a good meal, knowing that I'm nourishing my body. Pursuing my passions is taking pictures just for fun and not work. It's turning on the music to listen my favorite song. It's giving myself luxurious home facials and warm showers using my favorite products that are naturally based, vegan, and that have transformed my hair and skin, making it more radiant than ever. Helping me celebrate my own imperfections, making me feel so beautiful in my own skin. Especially when I use Rejuvenic oil on my hair and skin, it instantly transforms to a glowing complexion and nourished hair. Self-care is many things, but camping days will forever be my favorite. Being with my family, simply being with no track of time, playing with my children and making marshmallow bonfires. Seeing their beautiful eyes of wonder. Self-care is swimming days at the beach or at a spring. It's looking at the stars and seeing the infinity of space. It's dinner time at the table. It's laughter, the one you can't stop. It's getting my hands dirty in the garden and my body out in the sunshine. And even though I have to keep working on all of this, it's a nice reminder that self-care is not self-centered. It is not only about you, but what you do for others.